Hey everyone, welcome back to Outer Wilds. I actually recorded like an hour and a half, 2 hours worth of content that I had to get rid of. Yeah, isn't that just wonderful? Yeah, I'm gonna catch you all up to speed on everything that you missed. Because there's a lot. Look at all that. Yeah. We'll start with the gravity cannon. And I'm going to work my way down. Alright. So, the gravity cannon is a huge cylindrical structure that generates a strong upward gravity field. I recall the Naomi shuttle from the Quantum Moon, Tower of Quantum Knowledge. This tower is located on Brittle Hollow's equator, held useful knowledge for Naomi embarking on their first pilgrimage to the Quantum Moon. Naomi, named Solanium, was told to visit the Tower of Quantum Knowledge on Brittle Hollow's equator to learn the final rule before embarking on her pilgrimage to the Quantum Moon. Quantum Moon. The Naomi on Brittle Hollow observed a phantom moon that would sometimes appear in the night sky. A Naomi named Solanium landed a shuttle on the Quantum Moon. Naomi landed her shuttle on the Quantum Moon's south pole and prepared to make the rest of her journey on foot. Visitors to the Quantum Moon always arrive at the south pole for reasons unknown to the Naomi. Alright. And then you got the Northern Glacier. The North Pole of Brittle Hollow is covered in snow and ice. There is a quiet, uniquely shaped Naomi ruin on the surface. The Naomi were able to warp here from Whitehall Station. This is where they first recorded warp technology. The Whitehall Station. Every Naomi warp tower is tuned to a specific astral body. To use a tower, you must be standing on the warp platform during the tower's alignment with its corresponding astral body. The alignment happens when the astral body is directly overhead. The Naomi noticed something strange. Warped objects appeared at the receiver on Brittle Hollow slightly before they departed the Whitehall Station. This negative time interval between an object arriving and departing was incredibly minuscule, roughly 1/100,000th of a second. The Naomi were skeptical that if their equipment could even measure time to such a small degree. And the high energy lab. The negative interval measured at Whitehall Station was further investigated at High Energy Lab in the canyon at Ember Twins equator. And this is the old settlement. Naomi constructed a temporary settlement beneath their crashed escape pod. The Naomi worked together to recall an eye-shaped signal they encountered while on board the vessel. This signal was somehow older than the universe itself. The Naomi decided to call it the Eye of the Universe. The Naomi abandoned the settlement over growing concerns about its stability. And I still have to explore more. One of the 3 Naomi escape pods that crashed in our solar system. All 3 escape pods were launched from something called the vessel, which was badly damaged. And then the Hanging City. The Naomi decided to migrate to the old settlement and from the old settlement to the Northern Glacier. They used gravity crystals to craft a stable path beneath the surface. There is a huge Naomi city just north of the Rybek's campsite. And I did end up finding Rybek on Brittle Hollow. And yeah, that you're pretty much caught up now, because oh no, I still got village. This is no, this is signal locator. This is all stuff that that's just stuff on anyway, we're ready to go to space now. Buckle up. And we're in space. Alright, let's find Brittle Hollow, because there's still lots to explore on Brittle Hollow. And hopefully, I won't crash into that freaking engage autopilot. Let's try not to crash into the moon, because I keep crashing into it several times. It was quite... what's that? Don't think I've explored that yet. It's just oops. I engaged the wrong thrusters. Yeah. We're gonna have to do some repairs, because I engaged the wrong thrusters for that. Yeah, let's just do some repairs. Oh, this needs to be repaired majorly. Anything else need repairing? Nope. Alright. Bus is dust! Oh, this is something new. Something new. What is this? Beep. The trees are moving. The trees in this grove wander about freely. The entire planet, roots and all. This is not normal, even for this alien planet, and I have never seen them move. Is that even possible? If anyone else is witnessing this disturbing behavior, I implore you, record your observations here. Either these trees are aberrant, or my brain must be... Alarmingly, it isn't only the trees. There is all matter in this area, such as unusual shard rock, moving in the same eerie way. That rock is unusual for another reason, too. It possesses color and texture I have never seen in anywhere else on this planet. Hypothesis. This rock shard's presence is significant. We should study it. Could it be that this is causing other nearby objects to also move about the area? Plume is right. The trees do move. I confess, I didn't notice it until I read his notes. Fascinating. Beneath your feet lies the Tower of Quantum Knowledge! Hey, we made it. If you are preparing to make your first pilgrimage to the Quantum Moon and descend the ship's entrance below, within the will help you on your journey. Stuff is exploding behind me, and that's not good. Alright, where? I'm trying to find a way in. No. Way into the actual... Oh. I broke it. Sorry. Launch scout. Good launch scout. Nice. Maybe surface integrity 74%. Thanks. Oh yeah, the scout. Alright, I need to find a way into the actual tower itself. There's gotta be a way into the tower itself. Do I just need to wait for the... Probably just need to wait for the surface to, like, destroy itself or something. Yeah, so... Let's see... What is this? What do we have here? Plume, Felix, I have determined this atypical shard of rock is the reason objects in this groove are behaving in a quantum manner. The only object we've observed displaying this quantum behavior is wandering the moon. I imagine the moon's behavior and this groves are related. In her note from earlier, Felix mentions this strong type of rock isn't found anywhere else on Brittle Hollow. What if it isn't originally from this planet? Hypothesis. This quantum shard is from the wandering quantum moon. Perhaps it's even a small piece of the moon itself. Of note, a unique signal is coming from this shard. Curiously, our friend the Wandering Moon sounds the same. I have also heard the same signal. This shard produces calling out from Giant's Deep, Timber Hearth, and the Hourglass Twins. Suppose there are other shards like this one. Oh, that's probably the other. Fascinating. Oof. So yeah, because I didn't actually get any of the footage, Brittle Hollow here falls apart as the as time progresses, and eventually this whole thing just collapses. I'm probably grasping at straws at this point, but what's this way? Bap. interesting. It's... Where do you go? Ah! Well, that answers that question. Whoops. Hello, Whitehall Station. Ship is all the way over there. Ah, beep 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 bop. This is Whitehall Station. And I'm going the wrong way. I will figure out how this whole jetpack mechanic thing works. Ow. Nope. This way. Yep. There we go. I did it. Oop. Hello? Alright. I just gotta activate the thing. And welcome back to Brittle Hollow for what remains of it. Oh, the ship. I see the ship got sucked into the... Oh, look, it's the... Yeah. That's the crashed escape pod. What is that? Oh, there's the staircase leading to the... leads to the... Yeah. But, guess is that the village is, in fact, no more. Ow. Oh no, there it is. I have found the village. This right here is the village that I've already explored. Yep. Ow. But I hear music playing, which means that the sun's gonna blow up soon. Mm-hmm. But you know, it wouldn't hurt to give this city a look over, see if there's anything I missed, stuff like that. Explosions. pretty sure I got everything in this village. Yep, there. What's that? Never mind, I lied. Interesting. Oh, I think this is the Whitehall Station. I can't understand why did the vessel crash in place. What was the vessel? Why was the vessel unwell in the same way? No, Anana. I checked before the warp, and the warp core navigation systems were both well. We warped to follow that curious signal from the eye of the universe. We arrived wrong. It wasn't where we tried to go. Suppose it wasn't a problem with the vessel, but our destination. I'm afraid for our friends in Escape Pod 3. Ah. I think this is where I missed. And the sun's going supernova. Well, 3 minutes of oxygen remaining don't really matter because we're about to die. Yep. Goodbye. Can I get sucked into the white hole? No. I was trying to get sucked into the white hole before the explosion got me. Oh well. Well, there you have it. Look at all we did, just walking up and down the stairs over and over again. What a productive episode. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and if you liked the episode, hit like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and yeah, I will see you next time. Goodbye.